What's up, my home cooks and chefs? We got some sweet treats on the menu today. Thank you for coming by, Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to keep up on my latest, daily dishes, every week. So what we got is a key lime pie. We're gonna do some mini key lime pies today. So let's get into the ingredients. It's very easy and simple. So let's get over there to the ingredients. All right, you guys, let's get into the ingredients. So what we're gonna do is do these mini key lime pies. What you wanna do is get some mini, a pie crust with the graham cracker crust on it. You can get it from any store locally. Also too, you wanna have, a half a cup of key lime. This is a pretty good one that you wanna have. So, have a half a cup of key lime juice, 1 egg, and 14 ounces of condensed milk. I told you these ingredients are real simple, so what we're gonna do is let's mix up the ingredients and get this pie rolled. All right, first you wanna do is put the condensed milk in there. Condensed milk be always thick, so just put just 1 can in there, and you wanna do that first. All right, next you wanna add 1 egg in there. What you wanna do is turn it on slowly. So turn your machine on slowly when you first put in the 1 egg. You just drop the 1 egg in there and let it beat in. Like 2. Now what you don't want to do is beat your egg too fast, so that's why you see it's only on. What number is it on right there?
Just 2.
Okay, about 2. Like I said, this is a real simple ingredient. If you got a hand mixer, if you don't have, a KitchenAid, you can definitely use a hand mixer. And next you're gonna do is add in your key lime juice to it and mix it in till it's fully mixed. And that's how simple it is to do the ingredients. Make sure it's whipped up well. The mixture is done. What we're gonna do is, scoop it, scoop the mixture into each one of them and stuff like that. You can get something small enough that you can scoop it in and pour it, but it's really simple at this point. So fill them up, as much as you can, stuff like that. Don't overfill them. No tough twister, but anyway, but like I said, this is a really simple one. Authentic key lime pie. Some people add, coloring in them, green, coloring to make them more green and stuff, but this is how you originally make a key lime pie. So especially with these mini key limes, they're pretty good. And this is great for parties and everything like that. I really like them, especially when we was visiting Key West. They're famous for key lime pie, so if you're ever in Key West, definitely check out key lime pies. They also too got a key lime pie, key lime pie on a stick. With dipped in white or chocolate, white chocolate, frozen. So that'd be something good to try out, stuff like that if you're ever in the neck of the woods of key lime. But yeah, this is not that hard of a recipe to get together and stuff like that. Something great to have for company or something like that, whoever you would have over, for dinner or a party or dinner party, something like that. These are pretty good. This recipe I've given you is pretty much exact for 6 mini key limes, so it's perfect, but you could always double the recipe and stuff like that, whenever you do this, but it's pretty cool. I really like it. It's simple and stuff like that. So next, you want to get the oven on 350 degrees. Pre-do it ahead of time. When you get ready to do it, get ready to bake them. Make sure you do not bake these where the tops are brown. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you bake them, you know what I'm saying, just under that. But I'll get into how long you're supposed to keep them in the oven next. Okay, next we want to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And once it gets to temperature, put your pies in the oven and let it stay in for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you keep checking on it. Make sure it does not get brown. You want to still have a little wiggly in the middle, little jello-y and stuff like that. So once you do that, you know, you wait after the time. You take it out, let it cool down before sticking it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Or the best way, the result is either to have it overnight. And after that, you want to decorate it. Now, definitely check out my Cool Whip video regarding, you know, how to make your own homemade Cool Whip, you know, to put on the pies. But I hope you enjoyed the video. This chopping and grilling with your boy KC. Keep lookout for my next video. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our latest dishes.